Welcome students. Today we are learning the concept on matter around us, the subject 8th class in physical sciences. So what is meant by matter and what are the properties of matter must be learned in this class. Now observe, this is the first one is brick, second one is water bottle and third one is gas cylinder. Now these are all used in our nowadays in our home also. What are the properties in the case of matter? Matter means things around us. Matter has mass and occupies space. Examples of like books, water and human beings. Not only human beings, we take some objects also. Again, what are the states of matter? Solid, liquid and gases. Water can exist as a solid ice, liquid water and gaseous water vapor like this. The particles are also observed. Now, what are the properties of matter? Having shape, volume and compressibility and diffusion also. What is meant by shape, volume and compressibility, diffusion are learned in the previous class sections also. Now in the case of solid, brick have different shape having fixed volume. Like all the particles are closely packed because of attraction. Now in the case of liquids, now the liquids having observed no fixed shape but no having fixed volume can take the shape of the container, and also gases have no fixed shape and no fixed volume. Like also in this picture shows and again the property of compressibility. It is the change in the volume by the pressure. Gases are highly compressible as compared to liquids and solids. Take a syringe and fill it with gas, one of the forefinger. And again in the second one is the diffusion property. Now diffusion property, movement of molecules from higher concentration to lower concentration, even in statistics also. The diffusion of two gases, one is ammonia gas and second one is hydrochloric acid. These are converted to gaseous state. The rate of diffusion of gases is inversely proportional to molecular weight. The one is the property in the shape, volume and compressibility and diffusion of different states of matter, solid, liquid and gases. Now observe the picture clearly. And also matter is made up of particles. These particles are arranged in the liquid state. In the activity of there are several tiny particles in one crystal of potassium permanganate. Now observe. Again, what are the space between the particles? When salt is dissolved in water, salt enters into the space between the water particles. Even not only salt, if we take sugar also, is completely dissolved in water by stirring continuously. Even though in the case of solid chalk piece and iron nail, all the particles are closely packed due to the force of attraction between the particles. Now in the case of solids, the force of attraction is maximum. And again, change of state of matter. When solid is heated, changes to liquid. When a liquid is heated, it changes into gas. Example, solid ice, liquid water and gaseous water vapor. And again, change of state of matter from one state to another state due to the change in particles. Now solid to gas, gas to solid, and again solid to liquid, liquid to gas. And what are the properties? The first one is melting of the process of changing of solid to liquid. The definition about the melting, the process to convert solid to liquid is called melting point. The temperature is said to be melting point of ice, that is equal to 0 degrees Celsius. Boiling point, the process of changing liquid to gas at a particular temperature is equal to 100 degrees Celsius. Now again different properties The latent heat, the amount of heat energy is required to overcome the attraction of forces among the particles to change the state of matter without rising temperature. It is also sometimes called a latent heat of fusion, latent heat of vaporization. The temperature is also measured in Celsius scale, that is equal to Kelvin scale. 0 degrees Celsius is equal to 73 kelvins. Due to latent heat of fusion of water at 0 degrees Celsius have more energy than at ice 0 degrees Celsius. Sublimation. The change of state directly from solid to gas is called sublimation. Camphor, ammonium chloride, dry ice and naphthalene baths. And again, next one, desublimation. The change of state of directly from gas to solid is called desublimation or deposition. The formation of frost in winter season is opposite to the definition about desublimation. Gas to solid is called desublimation. Solid to gas is called sublimation. Now the memory map of change of state of matter. Now this is the most important diagram to easily understand the change of state of matter. What is the strange behavior of water? When water is heated between 0 to 4 degrees, its volume is increases. When water is cooled, it's 4 degrees Celsius to 3 degrees Celsius, its volume increases. This is also strange behavior of water. And also change of state by pressure. On increasing pressure, what happening? Any matter must be changed its state. Pressure volume changes. Like this solid carbon dioxide. Now it's the most important concept is evaporation. The phenomenon of change of liquid into vapor at any temperature below its boiling point is called evaporation. This is the wet cloths in dry summer season, nothing but a cool water in a pot. Evaporation, drying of wet cloths in air due to the water evaporation from cloths. We feel cool when sweat evaporates by absorbing heat from our body. Water in earthen pots cool due to the evaporation by absorbing heat from water. So what are the important concepts learned in this video? And also learn the concepts and must and should write in your notebooks with answers. Your examples for solid liquids and gases. And also some bits are given for better understanding to enhance your knowledge on the concept of matter around us. Okay, everyone must write in your notebook and textbooks from this gathering again. Thanks for watching TV and also watching our video.